Have you ever looked up at the stars and felt a sense of wonder at the world? To us humans, the world is inconceivable in its vastness and complexity. In ancient times, the night sky was a mystery, a fabric of myths and legends, and a source of terror to astronomers and sages. Our modern world, with its advanced technology and scientific progress, is only just beginning to understand what is lurking in space. However, our knowledge is limited and many explanations remain in the realm of imagination. What matters is the findings of the researchers and scientists. These discoveries not only increase our understanding of the world, but also inspire curiosity and excitement about what lies ahead. Here are 10 of the most fascinating discoveries, mysteries, and wonders from the past that will make you wonder about the endless possibilities of life. Get ready to travel through alien planets, black holes, alien life, and more. Is a black hole a worm? One of the most interesting questions in astrophysics is whether black holes can be wormholes. Black holes, as we know them, are regions of space where there is so much energy that nothing, even light, can escape. It is often said that there is only one way to nowhere, and everything that enters is lost forever. However, the presence of worms is also a sign that it might be. Wormholes are periodic structures in the spatial fabric that may connect two distant points in space and time. This theory, proposed by Einstein and others, has not been fully proven. Recently, scientists have discovered black holes that emit gamma rays, and these may be black holes. Since gamma rays don't come from anywhere, their existence suggests an extraordinary source. If this discovery is true, we are getting closer to the destination. Even if this theory is not true, there must be a reason why gamma rays escape from black holes, pointing to phenomena that have yet to be understood. The biggest black holes in the universe. Speaking of black holes, scientists have long ago discovered supermassive black holes of varying sizes. These giants, indeed, have enormous energy fields, challenging our current understanding of cosmic structures. Although the definition of these objects is still debated, black holes are believed to be billions of times the mass of our Sun. If confirmed, these supermassive black holes represent a major advance in our understanding of the universe. These massive bodies can provide valuable information about the formation of the first stars and galaxies. On the other hand, if it is not a black hole, the question remains as to what conditions in the universe can produce such a large amount of energy. One thing is certain, the scientists dedicated to uncovering the secrets of black holes will not stop until they know enough about these XXL holes. Since black holes form when stars die, the existence of these supermassive black holes prompts us to wonder what the massive stars were like in the early universe. Life on Venus. In a sudden shock, evidence of life has appeared on Venus. In 1978, NASA discovered evidence that life could be possible on this fiery planet. However, it wasn't until September 14, 2020 that scientists re-examined these findings with new telescopes and discovered phosphine gas in the atmosphere of Venus. Phosphine is often associated with biological processes on Earth that indicate life. Interestingly, a careful look at old NASA documents revealed that this discovery was made more than 40 years ago, but was never found. The revelation shifted the focus from Mars, a longtime favorite in the search for extraterrestrial life, to Venus, a planet thought to be hostile to life. Although the exact details are still unknown, the possibility that Venus could support life is profound. It challenges our assumptions about where life might exist and points to the possibility of finding life in other seemingly inhospitable environments in the solar system. Planet Pi. Among the many discovered exoplanets, one stands out for its unique mathematical significance. Planet Pi. Known as K2-315b, the exoplanet orbits its star every 3.14 Earth days, showing the well-known mathematical pi symbol. Planet Pi, discovered in 2017 and studied later in 2020, is a fascinating symbol of mathematics and astronomy. Although all planets are spherical, the orbital period of this planet is directly related to the value of pi, making it a large celestial body. Planet Pi may be home to extraterrestrial life, adding another layer of intrigue. The discovery reminds us that the world is full of wonders that reflect the mathematical patterns that we find so important to understanding our world. What's so sad, darkness is one of the most mysterious things in the world. Its name comes from its invisible and dark appearance, as it does not emit, absorb or reflect light. Although dark matter has been studied, it remains a mystery. Scientists know that it exists because of the force exerted on observable objects, such as stars and galaxies. Dark matter makes up 27% of the universe, but its composition is unknown. An invisible scaffolding that holds the galaxies together and influences their movements. The more we learn about dark matter, the more it challenges our understanding of physics and astronomy. It's amazing how little is known about something so important to the creation of the universe. The quest to understand the dark matter continues, leading scientists to develop new theories and technologies to unlock its secrets. Why is there a vacuum in space? Space is often described as a vacuum, but this description is somewhat misleading. The term vacuum in space refers to areas where the particle density is very low. Space holes, the vast spaces between galaxies, contribute to this uncertainty. These holes make up most of the universe, so space is empty with little to nothing inside. The vacuum of space is a dynamic environment in which gravitational forces play an important role. Mass attracts mass, which explains why astronauts need safety cables in spacesuits attached to spacecraft. If these cables are severed, the astronaut will be pulled by gravity to a nearby larger body. As the universe continued to grow, these holes in the universe became larger and the vacuum of space became visible. This emptiness is a reminder of the vastness and loneliness of the world at large. Alien worlds in the solar system. The search for extraterrestrial and habitable worlds has always fascinated people. One of the best candidates for an alternative home in the solar system is Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Titan is unique because it has a large atmosphere and surface features reminiscent of Earth. The atmosphere is rich in nitrogen, which is essential for life as we know it. Titan also has rivers, lakes and oceans of methane and water vapor, as well as cold volcanoes that emit water instead of lava. These features indicate that Titan could support some form of life, or at least provide a habitable environment for future aliens. The potential for life on Titan will be an exciting topic for future missions, and one day we may find ourselves building a new world on this distant moon. Our moon and the military. The moon has always been a fascinating topic, but it has also attracted the attention of military strategists. The U.S. military has explored the power of the moon for strategic benefits, especially for resources like water and ice. These resources can be used to create new fuels, vehicles and advanced technologies. This military interest has sparked a race to the moon, and other countries are also looking to harness its potential. The surface of the moon, long thought to be barren, may contain untapped resources that could revolutionize space travel and defense strategies. This military operation of the moon raises questions about the future of space exploration and the intense debate over extraterrestrial resources. The sun's new cycle. The sun, our life-giving star, goes through cycles of activity relative to the Earth. We are currently in a new solar cycle that started a few months ago and is expected to last until 2025. Solar cycles affect weather, satellite communications and even electrical schedule. Understanding these changes is essential to predicting and mitigating their effects. While a smaller rotation may sound good, it does mean that we need to be on the lookout for unexpected events during the day. The new solar cycle is a reminder of the power of the sun and its direct impact on our daily lives. Surrounded by dust. NASA scientists have discovered a new solar system called HD 95086, 295 light-years from Earth. What makes this solar system so amazing is the presence of the most mysterious dust ever seen in advanced telescopes. The dust in space shows significant movement and activity, indicating that this new solar system is more active than first thought. There are two distinct belts of dust, a thinner, hotter one closer to the host star, and a thicker, cooler one further away. These belts are remnants of planet formation or evidence of ongoing activity. A giant planet 5 times the size of Jupiter has recently been discovered, suggesting that there may be other as yet undiscovered planets nearby. This discovery opens new avenues for understanding planetary systems and the processes that form them. Conclusion: the world is a vast, mysterious place full of wonders that challenge our understanding and inspire our imaginations. From the possibility of wormholes and supermassive black holes to the existence of Venus and Titan, these discoveries push the boundaries of our knowledge and encourage us to keep exploring. Unfortunately, the availability of space and modern solar systems remind us how much we have to learn. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the world and our place in it. As we continue to explore and uncover the mysteries of the universe, one can only wonder what amazing discoveries lie ahead. If you enjoyed this journey through some of the most exciting new discoveries in space, please support and subscribe to Simply Space and stay up to date with the world's most exciting insights.